Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to sync Etsy with QuickBooks Online. Connecting your Etsy shop to QuickBooks Online can be a game changer for your business. This seamless integration not only streamlines your accounting processes, but also keeps your business finances organized with minimal hassle. Imagine automatically syncing your Etsy sales, expenses, and inventory into QuickBooks, saving you time and reducing human errors. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to achieve this. First things first, you'll need to access your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel. This panel is a powerful tool designed to help you efficiently manage every aspect of your business. Among the various options, look for the one labeled Apps. Click on it to proceed. Once you've entered the Apps section, you will notice a couple of tabs at the top of the page. What you're looking for is the Find Apps tab. This section is essentially a marketplace where you can search for various integrations and software tools that can enhance your QuickBooks experience. Think of it as a treasure trove of resources that can make your bookkeeping tasks much easier. Now it's time to bring Etsy into the picture. In the search bar provided, type in Etsy. This action will bring up a list of options related to Etsy. Keep an eye out for the one specifically titled Etsy Connector by Intuit. This particular tool is developed by Intuit, the same company behind QuickBooks, ensuring a smooth and reliable integration with your financial data. Click on Etsy Connector by Intuit to open its app page. This page serves as a valuable resource, offering an overview of all the features and benefits of connecting Etsy with QuickBooks Online. It's a good idea to take a moment to review this information thoroughly so you can understand precisely how this integration will benefit your business. After you've reviewed the details and decided that this integration is right for you, direct your attention to the top right corner of the app page. Here, you'll find a button labeled Get App Now. Clicking on this button initiates the process of connecting your accounts. Once you've clicked Get App Now, you'll be guided through the authentication and connection process. This step is straightforward, but requires you to securely connect both your Etsy and QuickBooks accounts. Make sure you have your login details handy for both platforms. This ensures that your sales data from Etsy flows seamlessly into QuickBooks, helping you keep track of your income, expenses, and inventory without any fuss. And there you have it. With your accounts now linked, you've laid the foundation for a more streamlined accounting process. This integration not only saves you time and effort, but also boosts your productivity, allowing you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. By using tools like this, you're setting yourself up for success in managing your business finances. That's it for this tutorial on how to sync Etsy with QuickBooks Online. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.